Will AI surpass human mental capability and consider humans mentally defective since we rely on hunches? Oh, this is very presumptive. Let's just stop at will AI surpass human mental capability?
I think it depends on what you're measuring or what you're determining. A machine is good at very, very specific things right now. And so AI, in certain senses, has already surpassed
Yeah.
our capabilities
So
at
for example,
certain
yeah. So for
computational
example,
things.
like, is an AI smarter than us? If we are talking about computing the square root of 4,438, like that, like
Yep.
AI already beat us.
Yeah, I mean, my calculator was better at certain math computations than my brain was.
Yes. So I guess in just computing things, they
Yeah.
already surpass us.
Yeah. And even like those, the competitions, right? When I was growing up, I'm a bit older. It was the computers versus, what's his name? The chess.
Deep Blue, I
Yeah,
forgot.
Deep Blue,
Yeah.
I think, versus the chess grandmaster, and
Yeah.
then he won. They went back and forth,
Who
but the
won?
computer won. In
The
the
computer
end.
won.
Yeah.
You call the computer he. Very
Yeah,
interesting.
he.
Yeah. We're humanizing the computer now.
Yeah, he's artificial, but he's still intelligent. And then now it came to Go, now it came to Dota, and the computers are winning.
Yeah.
So if your measure is something like that, then yes, there are certain areas where computers actually are already better or smarter. If you want to
Yeah, even
measure it
in
that
like
way.
some medical imaging
Oh, yeah.
diagnostics, right?
Great example.
Like they have like medical images and they have to detect whether there's like, I don't know, tumor,
tumor or
or a
something,
cancer
yeah.
or something in the
Yeah.
medical image. And they're finding that in that specific case,
Mm-hmm.
the computers are getting better, or AI is getting better at detecting these with a higher accuracy compared to doctors.
Correct.
Or
And
professionals.
let's maybe break that down a little further. So one of the reasons is that a computer could easily analyze millions of images very rapidly or
Yeah.
very quickly.
Yeah. So, for example, like for a doctor, a human doctor, to be able to get to a stage where they're accurate at predicting at identifying whether something's a tumor, they have studied over like thousands, maybe.
Yeah.
Thousands of medical images
Yeah.
over their time.
Yeah.
Like over many, many years, right? So that's why, and the common person has only studied like one or two or nothing
Yeah.
at all, so they don't know how to recognize what a tumor looks like. But a doctor studied maybe 1,000. But a computer, over a few hours, can study millions of these
Millions.
images.
Yep.
So just in terms of experience, the computer can already beat any human doctor,
Yeah.
any human person.
Yeah.
Right. So for example, even like at driving, even at flying airplanes, like
Yeah.
a pilot can have like thousands of hours of experience in flying time, but a computer can
And that
just
would take a long time for them to rack up that many hours.
right. But the computer can just take all of those experience of all flying airplanes ever recorded and have millions of hours of flying time
Yeah.
experience in just a few hours. And so you come up with a better sort of pilot. But since we're going here to
Yeah.
like a better pilot and
Yeah.
something, there's this like, okay, so we'll have like a pilot AI to replace the human pilot. I don't think that's exactly how we will transition to it and how it will work today or tomorrow. I think what will happen is that the AI becomes like a really smart assistant,
Yeah.
right? Not
Yeah.
a replacement, but an assistant, right?
I think initially,
Saying like,
yes.
yeah, like, hey pilot, you should take a look at this. We're not flying the right way. The pilot will like, oh no, we are actually.
Yeah.
Something like that. Or for example, when it comes to medical imaging, right? The doctors, it won't say like, hey, we should not go to the doctor anymore to get diagnosed. We should just show it to the computer and
Yeah.
let them. No, it's more of like the doctor can put it through the computer. The computer gives the result. The doctor be like, huh, that's your result. Interesting, but let me do my analysis here and then.
Exactly.
So it's like
It's a
AI
tool.
helping
Yeah.
human professionals do that, at least initially.
Yeah.
Eventually, when it becomes so much surpassed, yeah, I think it will be, I would say, a complete replacement, and we won't need as much doctors or pilots or things like that anymore. It can be
Yeah.
done by AI, and we can just spend more time with family. Doctors don't have to rush to and fro their clinics anymore. They can just spend more time with their family, go on vacations. I think that's a really nice life.
Yeah.
Cool. So will AI surpass? Eventually.